Welcome to Label Resizer. In this video, we'll briefly show you how the Warning Label Maker tool works. After logging into Label Resizer, first select the Compliance menu, then choose Warning Label Maker. Next, set the dimensions of your label according to your needs. Then, select your warning label category. Choose from the available label designs under that category and specify how many labels you want to generate. When you click the Make Warning Labels button, your labels will be created as a PDF file. They'll automatically download to your computer and also open in a new browser tab for your convenience. Label Resizer, all-in-one solution for your labeling needs.